If you're searching for the cost of living in the Philippines, you'll find countless videos filled with clickbait. However, today we aim to provide a transparent and honest perspective on this critical topic. Let's explore what living comfortably in the Philippines really entails. First things first. The cost of living can greatly vary based on your income source. You might be considering moving to the Philippines for a better quality of life, but how do we measure that? The truth is, each person's definition of comfort is different. Let's start by asking some key questions. Where is your income coming from? For a comfortable life as an expat, many rely on pensions, savings from their hometown, or online work. But remember, taxes play a role too. If you own property back home and earn rental income, you may face additional tax liabilities. When moving to the Philippines, it's essential to declare your tax residency correctly. What defines a comfortable life? For some, like my partner, comfort means having basic needs met, such as a roof over their head and food on the table. Conversely, my vision includes a spacious home, necessary amenities, and savings for family vacations. Recognizing these differences is crucial when assessing costs. Now let's talk about food and lifestyle. If you choose to eat like a local, living costs will be lower. However, Western food comes at a premium. Consider how each dietary choice impacts your budget. Next, let's touch on utilities. Can you live without air conditioning? If so, your electricity bills will be manageable. But keep in mind, electricity in the Philippines can be costly due to the use of imported gas. When it comes to healthcare, having medical insurance is vital. Healthcare systems can differ significantly between countries, so ensure you can access the best available care and budget for potential emergencies, including flights back to your home country. So how much will it cost to live comfortably in the Philippines? The answer isn't straightforward. Costs depend on personal choices and circumstances. In our forthcoming video, we'll dive deeper into aspects like housing, whether to rent or build a home. Stay tuned for insights that will help you make informed decisions about your future living in the Philippines. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Your journey to understanding life in the Philippines starts here.